Alrighty guys, so back again. I think this is the 8th or the 9th, I'm losing track now, but I shall get on with it as per usual. So 1, 2 and 3 drawings of the same topic and same pose. Everything is the exact same. This is to see how well you're actually learning and how quickly you can adapt and create a better result essentially. The fourth space is for your analysis, so each drawing should take 4 minutes and then a minute to create an analysis and a summary of the analysis essentially. So for the first one, I found this pose very difficult. I pushed my limits and came out of my comfort zone purely because I want to adapt very quickly and push what I can actually draw at the moment. So her head is tilted back, as you can see, and it's more focusing on the neck and the chin area and hardly any of the top of the head. I used the Loomis and geometrical methods. I applied both of these methods purely because I wanted to get the best result, and I feel like I actually managed to, for my first attempt anyway, I created quite a good result. I do feel that all the techniques and the skills I'm learning is starting to pay off. Hopefully you can see that in previous videos. If you want to check out the rest of the channel, feel free. Second one, not as great a result, specifically in the jaw area. That's more rounded. Her face wasn't that shape at all, but I learned from it, and one aspect that I did manage to capture was the neck and the collarbones and the shoulders. I did manage to capture them, but just not in the face. The facial features were a little bit more squashed together as well, and the jaw area and the overall head shape was not like that. So yeah, not as great a result, but still not too bad, considering that is a pose that I'm not comfortable with and I was well out of my comfort zone. The third and final one, between number 1 and number 3, I managed to create a knot. I'm actually really quite happy with these results. Again, it's considering, as I said, not my topic that I would normally choose, or the pose that I would normally choose. I can actually see the benefit in pushing yourself out the comfort zone. I highly recommend. I know it's not going to be comfortable, but definitely choose a pose at least once a day, or a topic that you're not comfortable with once a day, and just to see how well you're getting on with your learning, and see if you can utilize different methods to capture the overall drawing or the overall end result that you'd like. For the third one, again, good speed, facial features and the layout was a lot better, not as squashed, and the jaw was actually like that, and the neck and collarbone again I actually managed to capture. She's quite a petite model, so I feel like she's in proportion as well. Same methods as the second one, Loomis, geometric and gestural, but I do need to work on the pressure of the pencil, less pencil pressure next time, and that is something that I am highly aware of. I do become a little bit more over heavy-handed, and I will continue to work on that. If you haven't already, please subscribe, create a wee comments and chat going on in the chat area, believe it or not, and I shall catch you next time.